Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro. So first, try checking your headphones. So test it with another device to make sure they're working and inspect the headphone jack port. It's right here at the bottom near the charging port for any damage or debris that may be stuck inside it. So after that, what you guys can do is restart the phone, and it can resolve many minor issues, and if that's a minor issue then it should be fixed after the restart. So hold the power button, now click restart and tap to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is fully restarted. And now after your phone restarted, what you guys can try is a different pair of headphones. So try to test a different pair on the phone to make sure that there are no issues with your original ones, or that there are. So now what you guys can do is go over and check for software updates, because it might fix the issue if you do not have the latest version. So go over to settings. Now scroll all the way down until you guys see system, now system update, and here check for online update. As you guys can see, my system is up to date, so I recommend you guys updating yours too if yours isn't, because it might fix the issue with your headphones not being detected. After that, what you guys can try is to clean the headphone jack. So use a toothpick or a small brush to carefully remove any dust or debris from the headphone jack. Make sure to use nothing that has metal in it, so use non-metallic tools. If you use the metallic ones, it can only make the situation worse, and we do not want that. So if none of that worked, then the headphone jack might be faulty or your Bluetooth antenna, and I would consider visiting a service center for a checkup on the device. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.